Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to focus on note making methods. Especially these are very useful in making your short notes. Overall today I am doing 5 methods. They are first one corner method, second one outline method, third one mapping method. And this mapping method again can be divided into 3 as vertical, horizontal and web. Fourth one boxing method. And the last one diagrams and charts. Okay, we will discuss one by one. First one is corner method. Here we should divide our page as follows. You can see like this we can divide our page. At the middle of the top we put the topic. Then we should select keywords related to the topic and put them in the left column here, and then we should point out main things related to that keywords in the right column. Keep in mind that we should leave a space between these two keywords. Here we can use diagrams also. Another thing is we can use different color pens to make it more attractive, not only for this but also for all the methods. Okay, let's move on. Here is an example for the corner method. You can see. Okay, then we will move on to our next method, that is outline method. It's very easy to understand. This is the structure. Put the topic in the middle of the top. Then we arrange heading. That means that's like the subtopic. Then subheading, points and subpoints. Then our third method is mapping method. Under that, first one is vertical method. You can see the topic is branching from top to bottom. Then in the horizontal method, the topic is branching from left to right, like this. It's branching. In the web method, the topic is in the middle and it's branching throughout the whole page to all the directions. I think this mapping method is very familiar with you. Then we will move on to our fourth method, that is boxing. The structure is as follows. Topic is in the middle of the top and subtopics and points related to them are organized in separate boxes. You can see I have used color codes as well. Then our last method is diagrams and charts. Diagrams, you can see an example. These diagrams should be like this. We should label this properly. And charts like this. Okay, we have discussed all the 5 methods. I think you will apply them to make your short notes smart. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Leave me a like and share this video. See you in the next one.